What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. So the last 24 hours in the crypto space has just been crazy. Top 10 crypto is going parabolic right now. Ethereum finally touched that $1,000 mark, which I have been calling for the last week. In the first couple weeks of January, I'm going to talk about other top 10 altcoins I think are undervalued right now and which ones I think will have the best return on investment in the next few days. And I'm going to talk about what's going to happen over the next couple weeks, so be sure to stick through to the end of the video. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway on this channel when I do hit 50,000 subscribers in the next few weeks. So I do appreciate you guys subscribing, and you will be able to participate in that giveaway. So before we jump into the crypto markets, I want to remind you guys I will be doing a pre-sale for my cryptocurrency membership website, which I have been working on for the last year. I will be doing this in the upcoming couple weeks, and I will give you guys more info here as that gets closer to launching. That's going to be a very limited private sale, and you'll get huge value. I'm trying to bring triple the value for pre-sale members because this will help fund the creation and hiring some people for the membership site as well. I want to bring as much value as possible if I'm going to be selling a membership. And this isn't going to be a Patreon. This is going to be a full-blown membership website. I've been designing websites for the past 13 years, so I'm really looking forward to launching this website. I am going to be trying to make this the biggest cryptocurrency membership site in the crypto space. So those that join the pre-sale will get a massive deal on that. So be on the lookout here. I will be talking more about that in the next week. So jumping into the crypto markets, Bitcoin last night hit $35,000. Just insane how quickly Bitcoin has been moving up. Some people are calling for $50,000 soon. It is settling around $32,000. Ethereum finally hit that $1,000 mark. Probably going to find some support now, and then we probably will continue moving upwards, especially with stimulus checks coming out. But the markets are very volatile right now, so be very careful. We could have a 20% pullback, even 30% or more at any time. So about 5 days ago, I did make a video on top 10 cryptocurrency price predictions for the first couple weeks of January. Some of these cryptos have already hit my price target, and that's Ethereum hitting $1,000. Polkadot hitting $10, just insane how quickly Polkadot has moved up. Cardano ADA and Binance BNB are two that I think are still slightly undervalued. Chainlink hasn't really been moving much either, only 12% on the 7-day. So Binance BNB coin, I do think will be testing $50 at some point in the next couple weeks. Cardano, I think will be testing 25 to 30 cents very soon as well. Cardano is very bullish for end of Q1 in 2021, and I definitely recommend checking out my recent videos if you want to learn more about why I'm so bullish on ADA. So tomorrow, I think I'll be making another video going over reasons why I'm so bullish on Cardano and Binance for 2021, but I do think those two are pretty undervalued compared to other top 10 cryptos, and I do think profits are going to start spilling over now from Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin into other top 10 cryptos that are still undervalued, especially with how much Cardano and Binance have going for them. I think they're very undervalued, both around $6 billion market cap, with Ethereum now over $100 billion market cap. So we are now at all-time highs for cryptocurrency global market cap, passing the last peak of the last bull run around $820 billion market cap. We are now at $870 billion market cap. We could be passing $1 trillion global market cap for the crypto space within the next 24 hours very easily. This could even happen in the next 5 hours, depending on how things go. Keep in mind, things are very volatile right now, and I do think we're going to be seeing bounces of 20 to 30% in either direction, especially with some bad news. Some people are saying on January 6th, because of the presidential news that's going to be coming, could affect the markets, which is very possible. Either way, cryptocurrencies are definitely going up in 2021, in my opinion, and one major reason for that is the massive amount of fiat currency that the governments are printing for the stimulus packages and loans. That's inevitably going to be causing a lot of inflation, and that alone will push up the price of cryptocurrencies. So if you're in the United States, I highly recommend you're signed up for Binance US. This is definitely the biggest exchange, in my opinion, for the United States. It has a very wide variety of altcoins you could trade from. You can cash out to your bank account. You can buy directly from your bank account as well here once you're verified. side. And this has the smallest fees as well. Much better to use Binance than Coinbase or Uphold or Crypto.com or other major platforms. So I highly recommend you sign up here if you haven't already. There is going to be a wait process for US citizens because they are pretty backed up right now with a lot of people starting to buy in and take interest in cryptocurrencies. So definitely use the link in the video description to sign up now. You can also sign up for Binance.com if you aren't in the United States, and there's a link for that in the video description as well, and you will get trading discounts on your trading fees if you do sign up with those links. So that will save you some good money over time as well. But definitely sign up for Binance US if you haven't already. This could be a backup way for you to cash out once the time comes as well, and you could definitely trade a lot of altcoins here. So if you guys watch my videos, you know I talk about SparkPoint SRK a lot, and this actually hit its all-time high USD price today of 0.003. It's not displaying correctly here on CoinMarketCap, which if you go to market, you can see the real price here on the Uniswap price is 0.003 about. And for some reason, CoinMarketCap is not displaying the correct 24-hour volume. They're not displaying the correct price. So I don't know what's going on with that, but if you go to markets, you can see the prices here and get a general idea. And if you do want to pick up SRK, Uniswap is going to have the most liquidity. So SparkPoint SRK, I think, is still extremely undervalued since it wasn't live during the last bull run. It only has a market cap under $20 million. So getting into the top 100 would easily put this at 1 cent or more. And if you guys look at Dogecoin has 10 times the total supply here of SparkPoint, and they also are at 1 cent, which is 5 times the price of SparkPoint SRK as well. So definitely huge potential here for SparkPoint SRK. Definitely an altcoin you want to have on your radar for the next bull run. And there's more videos on my channel if you do want to learn more about that. So if we check out Google trend levels, Ethereum is trending a little bit higher for the past 24 hours. If we zoom out to the past 5 years, we can see Ethereum is trending right now at a peak level, but it's nowhere near the peak level that we had at the last bull run. So Ethereum first saw its first major bull run in mid 2017, and then again at the beginning of 2018, hitting $1,400. So we are getting close to those peak bull run prices right now, hitting $1,000 Ether, but we're nowhere close to the peak bull run level. So I think when we do hit these levels from 2017 again, we are going to have a price of Ethereum anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, and I think that's going to be happening by mid 2021, especially with all the inflation that's happening and everything. Retail investors are definitely taking interest in the masses to crypto right now, and there's just a flood of demand. So while there's a flood of demand and more people are buying up cryptocurrencies and taking them out of circulation, that's only a scenario where cryptocurrencies are going to be going up and up. And for 2021, I'm bullish on general, but keep in mind in the short term, cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and we could see a 20 to 30% pullback at any point. Some massive whales dumping, some really bad news, anything like that could definitely have a negative effect on the crypto space. So it's good to always keep that in mind. But if you are dollar cost averaging and buying every couple weeks when you can on the dips, overall, I think you're going to do very good in 2021. So checking out the Bitcoin search in Google Trends, we can see Bitcoin is also trending, but nowhere close to the previous peak as well. And Bitcoin is at $33,000, even touching $35,000 very briefly yesterday. So once we return to these peak retail Google trend levels, I think Bitcoin's going to very easily be past $50,000 at that point. And like I said, I think that's coming up very quickly, especially because Bitcoin breaking new all-time highs pretty much every day over the past week is making major mainstream news. Everyone's talking about crypto and finding out about it. Everyone's trying to get in. And that's very clear, as I've seen, because Binance US signups are really backed up. So there is a backup of signups. So I do think money is going to be trickling in over the next couple weeks, which is why I do see cryptocurrencies holding these prices and even going up even more over the next couple weeks. Especially cryptos that haven't really gone up too much and are still undervalued, like Binance BNB and Cardano. I think huge profits are to be made there, and I will be talking about that more in tomorrow's video. So as you guys know, I'm pretty bullish on Cardano just because it's going to be a major competitor to Ethereum in 2021. And they have some great features that is definitely going to make people consider moving over from the Ethereum blockchain to the Cardano blockchain. Once Goguen is released, their next major update, that's around the end of Q1 in 2021, I think we're going to be seeing all-time high prices for ADA again. I think that's very possible. So on the trend levels here, we're still pretty low on the trend levels, which is why I think we haven't passed 30 cents for ADA yet. But once we pass this previous trend level here that we had in July of 2020, I think we're going to easily be past 30 cents for ADA, and I do think that's coming up in the next week here, especially with everyone getting their stimulus checks and profits spilling over from the top cryptocurrencies that have gone up a lot. It only makes sense that Cardano ADA is pretty undervalued right now, only at a $6.7 billion market cap. For Cardano ADA to do a 10x would put it at a $67 billion market cap, and currently that's still much less than Ethereum's current market cap at 110 billion. So I see that definitely happening over the span of Q1. And Cardano is one of the cryptos I'm most bullish on for best return on investment for 2021. Next to Binance BNB and other altcoins like SparkPoint SRK, I think SparkPoint SRK is definitely going to surprise a lot of people. So our next major resistance level here for Cardano is going to be around 35 cents, which was the recovery peak that we did have after the peak of the last bull run. And at the peak of the last bull run, ADA actually went over $1.20. So our next resistance is going to be around 35 cents. I think we'll be testing that within the next week or two here, especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum keep moving up. As long as everything holds where it is, I think ADA is pretty undervalued, especially with major updates coming. They're going to have a lot of news and partnerships throughout 2021. So this, in my opinion, is a very safe bet to get huge return on investment out of the top 10. And I will be talking more about why I'm so bullish in the upcoming week as well. So that's pretty much it for today's video. A huge day in the crypto space overall. Last night, Ethereum hit 800. Now we're at 1,000. Bitcoin breaking 30,000, going straight up to 35. Now finding new support around 33. Just huge things happening in the crypto space. We broke crypto global market cap all-time highs today for the first time since the peak of the last bull run. So things are really starting to heat up. And as you guys saw with the trend levels, we're pretty much at a bottom trend for most cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, which even Bitcoin and Ethereum are still very low compared to the last bull run. And seeing as we're already broken all-time highs for Bitcoin and well past that, I definitely see $50,000 Bitcoin and more coming. But like I said, in the short term, anything could really happen. So like I said, I will be giving you guys more info on my crypto membership site coming up. That's going to have a lot of exclusive content. It's going to be very limited. I think I'm going to be restricted to the first 300 signups, and that should sell out pretty quickly here. So be sure to be subscribed here and hit the bell to be notified when I make new videos. I'll be giving you guys more info on that. And then this pre-sale will give you a year access at a huge discounted rate. And I'm going to be including NFTs and some other exclusive stuff. So I am trying to deliver at least 3 times the value of what I'm charging for this pre-sale, because it will help me hire some people and make the membership site as good as possible as well. And if you want to do well in this bull market, it's definitely recommended to be in some top crypto membership sites like that, where you can discuss what's going on with hundreds of other people that know what they're doing. So thank you guys again for watching the video. A free way you can support the channel is like the video, comment below. I will try to reply to all the comments as well. You can also share this video anywhere on social media. Even if you don't have a lot of followers, it still helps the channel grow, and I do appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.